So, could you please describe Can't Buy Me Love in 3 words each, Shad?
Love is free. Oh, love is free. Oh, 3 words yun. Can't buy me love. Well, totoo. Okay. Just to defend my answer, you can't buy love because love is free. And hindi mo siya nabibili gamit ang pera. Nabibili siya. Hindi siya nabibili gamit pera. Nabibigay mo siya ng libre sa tao. Ah!
Mysterious thriller, slow burn. Pero yung slow burn may high-tech para. One word lang it. Anyway, slow burn. Ako gumawa nun pero okay na yun. Yung pinaka-slow burn na story kasi sa dulo. Spoiler na yun.
Oy, ba't mas pinawal?
Bakit?
Saan na ba yung tabi?